Hi.
Where'd you go today?
I don't know.
Where did you go today?
I didn't know my book.
Where did Mommy take you and your brother and sister?
To playground.
The playground?
Playground.
What did you do in the playground?
Slide.
You went on a slide?
Uh-huh.
What else?
Yeah.
What else did you do?
Ring and a
Swing on a swing?
ring.
What else did you do?
On the slide and outside.
Did you get wet?
Yeah.
You did?
Uh-huh.
Mm.
I did.
Did you have any lunch? Where did you eat? Chicken?
Chicken.
Is it good?
Uh-huh.
What did you drink?
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
I eat my lemonade.
You drink your lemonade, silly.
Eat my lemonade.
Drink your lemonade.
Eat my lemonade. Drink my lemonade.
I love you.
I love you.
Say, I gotta take a nap now.
I got to take a nap now.
Bye.
Bye.